This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a fun location close to the pedestrian-friendly Well Street strip of bars, restaurants, and one-of-a-kind shops to meet Carly for a tour of the interior amenities at the fabulous new Old Town Park 2.
Hi, this is Carly, and we're going to be taking a peek at 2 Old Town Park and all that we have to offer here in our brand new building, which opened in February 2020. And here is our gorgeous lobby right here. And now we're going to go upstairs and take a look at our fabulous amenities. So this is our piano lounge here at Old Town Park 2. It has a little bit of a Gatsby vibe in here, as you can feel. We have a player piano. It also is a regular piano, so you can play it if you wish. But it has a kiosk on the side, so if you can actually request certain songs to be played out of it. This room is also reservable, and it's a really great place for hanging out with your friends. We have our gorgeous Skyline lounge right here. Beautiful colors and textures in here, very inviting. We also have board games in here as well. Also one of the entrances to go outside to the outdoor patio deck. And then of course, as you just kind of flow through, you'll see we have our computers, printer. We will also have a coffee machine as well here. So here we do have our workstation and conference room in here. Conference room is free to reserve, of course, but nice feel to fireplace, of course. And here we have our gorgeous dining room. This is a great place to entertain. You can rent this space as well, work from home, or of course if you need extra space to do some cooking or entertaining, really great place. Here is our extensive fitness center. You can see we do have a squat rack as well as a Smith rack, which is very rare. And then panning over to all of the weight area. Our free weights go up to 75 pounds, which is really great, and we have all the necessary items you'll need for your workout. Kettles, cables, boxing bag, we literally have it all. And then panning over, we will have all of the cardio. Lots of cardio to choose from, Stairmasters, ellipticals, treadmills, and then coming over even more, we have more cardio, as well as all of the rowing machines, which is fabulous. And then in our yoga and spin studio, we do have 5 Peloton bikes. We will offer 3 complimentary classes a week in here for our residents of various classes. We have lockers right over here, filtered water, and of course we have towel service as well as cold eucalyptus towels for after workout. And for one of the most relaxing parts of Old Town Park 2, we do have our spa area. We have a beautifully huge giant jacuzzi as well as a Himalayan pink salt dry sauna and a eucalyptus steam room right over there. And then kind of coming over, we do have seating as well as a television. We're all about everyone living their best life possible here at Old Town Park 2. And then with this area, we do also have a really gorgeous rinse-off area, which has a Bali kind of feeling. Absolutely gorgeous with the teak-like wood. And here, of course, is our amazing basketball court, which we are so excited to share with the city. Of course, this area has fixtures for volleyball, badminton, and pickleball. We will have all of those items in here, as well as benches, TV, and then, of course, for all of the games, it is fully equipped with a scoreboard. We are also very excited to use this area to do a lot of resident events, like an 80s prom night, as well as our Halloween dog costume parade. So we're excited for all the possibilities that will occur in this fabulous space that we have created. And this is our game room here. It is very extensive, full of TVs, very comforting with all the colors and places to sit down. We do have a poker table right over here, which is a lot of fun. This can be reserved. And then just kind of glancing outside, we do have an amazing amenity deck, which is in motion to be finished. And then kind of panning over here, we do also have a pool table. As you can see, more TVs. And then the most coveted item of the building at the moment, of course, is this, as you can see right here, which is set up almost like an arena. We do have a gorgeous half-court basketball right here, which is also fixed for volleyball. We'll have volleyball, pickleball, badminton as well, and then as well as an 80s prom night for our residents, because we love to have fun here. And now for our furry friends, we do have a very large dog run. This dog run is perfect for larger dogs. You can actually throw balls or whatnot for them to go run and chase. We do have a little obstacle course. We are waiting for more items to arrive down here. We also have a heated area for the parents and of course a bench naturally. And then of course panning over, we do have a foot pedal water dish, which is fabulous. In case it gets a little warm, little drink. And then naturally we do have, of course, doggy bags to keep everything nice and clean. This is the cutest room of Old Town Park. We do have our family lounge, fully equipped with a darling little sink right here, and then as well as a really cute outdoor area for the kids, which will be equipped with a slide, picnic table, and other various items for the children. This is a great room that residents use for birthday parties, as well as visiting family and friends and whatnot. This is a chalk and magnetic wall. And then of course, we have all of these gorgeously fun things for all the kids and possibly adults to play with. We have costumes as well as classic games like Hungry Hippo. Really, really fun in here.
How's the dance coming along?
Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.